In this video, I will show you how to use the Python library xlwings to download charts as a PDF or a PNG. On the right, you can see the testing document we will be working with. There is a small table capturing the temperature over a period of days of the week. Next to it is a simple line chart, the one that I will be saving to this current directory. Here you can see that I've opened the workbook on the right with the book function and selected sheet 1, which is the one displayed. First, let's check out the charts that we have on the page. I do this by accessing the charts attribute of the worksheet object. The output you can see here shows that there is a single chart called chart 1 on sheet 1 of my test XLSX document. Accessing just the chart that I want is as simple as using the 0th index on the list. Each chart object has a series of functions that you can perform on them. Let's check them out by hitting Tab after adding a period here. Here are some functions that we can use, such as chart type, delete, name, and a handful of others. But the two that we are interested in are the toPDF and the toPNG down here toward the bottom. Let's start with toPNG. I don't need to pass toPNG any arguments, I can simply run it. Let's execute this line, and looking over here on the left, we can see that a PNG object has appeared named chart1. Let's now open it up and see what it looks like. And here we can see we have the exact same chart saved as a PNG as the chart that is currently stored in our Excel document. Now let's try a PDF. This time, I'm going to pass the name that I would like the chart to be saved as. Executing this, we can see on the left a PDF document now appears. It is called temp chart, just as I declared it to be in the argument that I passed to the function. Opening up the PDF document, we can see we now have a PDF containing the chart from our Excel workbook. For some reason, whenever I try to run toPNG with a name as the argument, it simply doesn't work. I'm not entirely sure why, but it's no matter for this example. So overall, it's quite straightforward. You simply access the chart that you would like to save, then use either of the toPNG or toPDF functions on the chart object. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if this was helpful and informative. Do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, as it does help others find this content. And do hit that subscribe button so that you know when the next video drops.